My question is, sinong favorite flatmate mo? Huy! Nag-iba yung tanong. Charot lang.
Ako, joke.
Sino na lang yung hindi mo... Huy! Charot! Hindi, ito talaga yung totoong tanong ko. What's your favorite thing about having flatmates?
Ooh.
When you studied abroad, like specifically?
Having a slice of the Philippines in a foreign country, I think that's why I really pushed for having Filipino flatmates.
May push.
Medyo sip-sip siya today. Nandito si Mama. Ako, kasi ako, mental conditioning. Nung before umalis ng Pinas, na magugutom ako, papayat ako, ganyan. Pero sa London, never ako nagutom. Never ako nagutom kasi we always share food.
Yes,
diba?
actually.
So, yun yung favorite ko about sharing the flat. Pero, gusto ko rin yung sinabi mo kasi never akong na-homesick. Never ako na-homesick. Yes.
Seryoso yan? Parang...
Na-homesick ako nung mga first 2 weeks. Pero
Aha.
nung nag-flat na tayo,
Aha.
parang hindi na ako na-homesick. Okay ako.
Okay.
Ganun.
That's
Okay.
good. Alright.
Okay, introduce muna tayo.
Okay. Hi, my name is Nathan.
Ako si Eri.
And this is
What's Next? Yeah. And syempre meron tayong special guest. Napaka-special nito.
Our flatmate, of
Yes.
course. From
Siya
UK.
ang Z sa What's Next. Ang tatalo sa mama ng lahat. Si Zara. Attorney Zara. Let's go. Pakilala ka, Z. At sagutin mo yung tanong.
Sige. So, I'm Zara. Ako yung Z sa Next. And ako yung nagdadala ng zing sa amin.
Ano to? Drag race Philippines.
Drag race.
Oo nga, iba yung niya, pang-drag race.
Anyway, I think my favorite part is actually, not feeling homesick. I think yun yung, parang siya, parang all of a sudden, uy, may new friends ka, tapos, pwede kang umuwi, and then may food na dyan, tapos pwede kang humingi, and then you can just hang out and sit down. So I think I really like that. It was comfortable, and it helped that bago kami umalis, merong checklist or merong prepare si Nathan na Excel para magkaalaman na kung ano yung mga pet peeves and siguro ma-match kung sino yung mga flatmates. So, more or less, okay na-sift na tayo eh. So,
Tama,
it was
tama.
good.
Oh my God, ang galing nga ni Nathan doon, no? Siya talaga ang bida.
Yes.
Ang
Class
beagle.
president.
Ang beagle.
Pero kasi meron tayong mga ibang batchmates na gusto nila yung mag-isa lang sila. Okay lang din naman yun. Or like, they got their own apartment or uni accommodation. Pag uni accommodation lang, isa-share mo siya with international people.
Yep.
Hindi mo talaga kilala, which is really hard.
And that was their goal, di ba? To mix with the international crowd. Di ba? Well, at least for me, yung goal ko is slice of the Philippines in the UK.
Wow, parang hindi ganun yung
binalik
goal.
ko.
That was never my goal, but I think, if you do the research, ang mga reviews talaga is parang medyo hindi fun din yung ganung arrangement. Diba? Kasi
Which
hindi mo
one?
yung
Yung
international students. Kasi you're living with people from all walks of life, all races, and not for anything. But obviously, you're only there for a year. And then, ayun, yung mga nababasa mong review, dirty,
Actually,
or hindi mindful, walang courtesy, ganyan. So, marami din ganun. So, I think that was a big factor for me.
I think that's why we vibe so much kasi like Z did a lot of pre-research
Sobrang
before making
nag-research
the
kayo.
decision. As in, so di ba sa school, usually they will tell you, ito yung mga accommodation.
Correct.
So ito yung mga school accommodation. So ni-research ko talaga. Tapos may mga reviews online about it. Sa accommodation, student accommodation ko, they were saying na may molds, tapos may mga international students daw na hindi marunong maglinis, may ipis daw.
May ipis yun.
Yeah. It's like
Smells.
the smells.
Safety concerns. Sometimes kasama mo undergrads.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Pura party which is not bad but at the same time, di ba? Okay. Of course. But you want a certain peaceful life as well.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Which you can't control kasi with undergrads.
As mature students. Kaming lahat, mature students.
And why did I ask?
Why did
Kasi,
you ask?
ang ating video na pagre-reactan this episode ay yung ating first week sa flat siguro to. Yeah.
Interesting.
So makikita niyo yung first day natin sa flat.
OMG, so
Okay.
memorable.
I'm so excited.
I love it.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Okay, so start na natin.
Sige.
Wala bang pamagat tong segment na to, but
Wait, guys,
what?
this is almost exactly 2 years ago.
I know.
Yes!
In one
Actually,
week. Ay, hindi. 2
Hindi,
days.
in 2 days.
Yeah.
Or 3 days.
3 days.
Okay, yun lang. Yun lang.
When did we move in? October 1 or
One.
September 30?
Yes,
October
Tapos
1.
My
may
gosh,
tie.
How could you forget?
Ah.
Ano no?
Okay, I'm excited.
Feeling ko yung edit out ko yun. Parang baka awayin tayo ng
Ikaw na bahala mag-edit dito pala. Editor.
sige, edit ko yun. Ako naman yung nakakatawa tong dalawa.
Walang filter.
Oo, pakilakasan nga yung aircon. Medyo nag-iinit dito. Ito na, mag-react na kami. Oh my gosh.
Walang filter.
Ilan daw mag-deep clean?
Friend, may halaman pa.
Yes!
Walang green thumb sa
As
flat.
a non-plantitas.
OMG, Z, your hair was so short
I
pala.
know.
That's the, Farmer 544. O, di ba? Wala pa.
Wow.
Ang ganda natin dyan.
Cute.
Grabe. Grabe. Competitive.
As usual. Wow.
Ito na, reality.
Yes. At least may iniwan.
What's this?
Isang payan.
Our first day?
First day.
Oh. Wait, after they left or the day after? Or...
I think after
I think this is
left.
after they left.
Okay.
When reality sort of
Yeah.
hit.
Oh, grabe.
Nakakatawa, naalala ko yung basurahan na yun. Yung nagtatanong na nyo, tapon na ba natin? Or...
My friend, hindi siya natapon.
Hindi.
Survive.
Tama, nag-survive siya.
Survive.
So, Z was the advocate of throwing it. Ako naman yung useful pa.
We might need it during parties. It's an extra bin. Okay.
Okay.
So we gave it a chance. It survived.
It became a container for bags. No?
Yeah, it was a container for bags.
So, nakikita nyo, naglilinis na sila. Ako nagbe-video pa. The
Ganyan
reality.
talaga tayo eh.
I think kumain muna tayo nito. Or ibang araw na siguro. Kalimutan ko.
So thin.
Pagod.
Pagod na pagod. Oo nga, naglinis yarn. O, diba?
We
Nag-aaral.
worked right away. Oo nga pala. Kasi class already
Class
started.
started October
Yeah.
1,
Class,
friends.
yeah.
September
Actually,
17 for me.
Ah, yeah,
Or
yeah.
Ako
18.
September 25 ata.
Oh my God! Binigyan mo kami ng housewarming gift.
Tapos kay Naji pala galing.
We found out when she visited.
I like it's mine. Oh no, it's hers.
Sabi ba naman dyan ni Cam na ano daw siya, na pressure daw siya. Kasi galing kayo.
I think
Ano
the
yan?
green is mine.
Van Gogh is bipolar.
Yes.
Ito.
Sa akin natin yung soothing napunta.
Yung sa akin, calming ba? Or upper. Upper yata yung sa akin. Light chill.
Ayan po si Cam, yung isa naming flatmate nang wala today. Hindi tayo napagbigyan ni Madam Cam.
She'll be here on another episode. Can't wait.
Ayan, akin yan.
Galing sa akin. Ay, so yung Van Gogh yung galing kay Nash.
Akala ko binigay niya sa akin. Tapos ako na bahala. Di pala.
Ay, nasa akin pa rin yan, yung galing sa Thailand.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Oh, those grapes. I miss those grapes.
Oh, cheap fruits, no?
Cheap fruits.
Grabe.
How much was it?
One pound?
Oh,
One
1 pound for
pound.
the entire
Pound.
50
Imagine that,
pesos.
yung grapes na yun, 70.
Ay, 70.
75.
Thank
Of
you.
course.
Thanks, Naji. Joke. Oh, you're
Na
the
pressure.
pressure.
Pinressure mo si Cam. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Well, I bring the... Ano yung sabi ko, Jazz? We are the pressure.
CEO, yung jacket nyo pang labas. Or yung jacket mo, Eri. We haven't
Yung
like...
white?
Oo, we haven't
Unpacked,
settled
I
in
think, yeah.
into our like...
No, you
home.
can see the foam sa couch.
Ah, yeah.
Diba?
Naglaba tayo nung
Oh,
nung sapin nung couch. Diba?
Ay, wow, working ko, no?
Oo. Diba?
Ayun, no?
Ay,
Oo nga pala. I laundried the couch cover.
Ay, first flat meeting.
Flat meeting.
Yes, board meeting.
First and the last.
Ano ba yan? Songke?
Songke.
Songke.
Which is
Songke.
sobrang sarap ng pagkain dyan. Saka ng Vietnamese coffee.
Allegedly the best Vietnamese restaurant
Truly.
in London.
In London.
Yes.
Ay,
Ay,
skip ko na yan kasi
ay,
ako. Wala
Ano
na-
yan?
Ano to?
Sabi ko,
Bedroom
kasi
voice.
papunta ako dyan sa London Film Festival. Tapos naligaw ako, tinan niyo yan. Ang haba. Naligaw talaga ako sa London kasi yung isang episode, naligaw din ako eh. Ayan o. Ang haba
Ang
talaga.
laki. Remember when we did that walk and we visited this? It was so
Oo.
big. Oh.
Eh, gusto ko lang sabihin kasi, yung London, itong part na to ng London, yung South Bank, magkakatabi kasi silang mga important building. May BFI, may National
Film
Theater,
Institute.
may South Center, di ba? South Bank Center. So, naligaw ako. So, ito na siya. Ang layo ko. Ang layo ko talaga dun sa, ano.
But you watched Martin Scorsese live?
Yes. Ito yung mga, dito sa classmate ko to galing. Ganyan sa,
Wow.
nahati kami. So, this is Martin Scorsese.
Wow.
Ini-interview siya ni Edgar.
Ay, nice.
Diba? I love it.
Ba talaga, no, sa London, parang...
Yeah.
Any lang.
The people
Any
you can
lang,
meet.
the people you can meet, you can listen to. Access. It's
So
access.
if you went to Leeds, Eri, you wouldn't have done
True.
this. Diba?
Kasi yung London talaga is about access. That's why
It's access.
pinush ko talaga yung ano. Sa introduction episode kasi sinabi ko na supposedly, kung hindi ako nag-Westminster, Met Film School ako, diba? Pero sa Leeds. Which is okay lang naman yung Leeds. Pero bago kasi yung campus nila. Like, first or second year lang yung campus nila. So parang ako, hindi gusto ko talaga mag-London. Kaya ako lumipat ng Westminster.
I see. Di ba pinuntahan natin yun?
Oo,
Yes.
naglakad
Tapos
tayo.
parang, ano yung
It's
vibe?
just a
It's like a parking lot. Kasi
parking
it's a
lot.
studio.
Oo, tama. Parking lot nga. And there's a cafe right next to it. We needed to pee. So,
Parang
Tapos
prime
yung
studio.
vibe parang expressway na
yes, yes.
warehouse.
Yes,
yung-
yes.
Oo nga.
Sobrang tahimik ng buhay ko if
Oo.
nandun ako. Hindi ganito na very, woo, ganda.
Hindi naman masyadong tahimik and then si Chuck.
Like,
edit out.
Ano naman? Ayayin lang
Joke
ako ni
lang, joke.
We love you.
Ayayin ako ni Cho hiking. Hiking
True,
na-
baka hiker ka.
May abs na rin ako.
Oo.
Okay. Eto, sinama ko siya kasi memorable siya sa akin kasi ito yung after nun, nung talk ni Martin Scorsese, sumakit yung paa ko. Tapos, buti na lang andun kayo ni Cam.
Sa
Ah,
area.
Ito yun. Ito yun.
Ay,
So, madilim
nako.
pa siya. Ipapabrighten natin eh. Pero ito yun, sobrang sakit talaga ng paa ko. Wrong boots. Kasi pamana lang yun sa amin. Tapos sinuot ko siya, ang sakit talaga ng paa ko.
At saka, yung plan sa gabing ito is, di ba,
Birthday ni Janine.
nakikipag-friends ba tayo? Get to know. Tapos, London, let's meet
Let's
in
go,
this
let's meet
spa. Pagdating doon, ay, ano pala dito na? Wala na, naglakad na, wala na. Ito na, andyan, alala ko to, this is a nice night. Ano to? Jomo.
Oo.
Yes, Jomo.
Jomo.
Yun nga, yung parang ano siya, hindi na rin talaga ako makalakad niya. Hindi ko na kaya talaga.
Hindi.
Tapos parang sabi natin, hindi na tayo makalakad tatlo. Wow, kasama kayo.
Hindi na pa. Medyo nakakapagod. Oo. Oy, pero imagine ha, ang friendship. Nagpalit sila ng shoes ni...
Cam! Thank you, Cam! Miss Cam, saan ka naman yan?
Ay,
Oo, pinahiram sa akin ni Cam yung onitso kanyang sapatos. Na talagang munti ko na masira. Kasi syempre mas maraming tao kay Cam.
Tapos medyo malayo pa, di ba? So naglakad pa tayo palikod after Whitehall and then we waited for the bus and then we took the bus and then we stopped in... What street is that? Street ng Songke yun eh. Pero may ibang Vietnamese restaurant tapos bumaba tayo at kumain tayo doon. Alala mo?
Grabe
Yun
yung memory mo.
alala
Oh
ko
my
yun,
God.
alala ko
Pero
yun.
medyo naalala ko na ngayon. Ito yung isa, yung medyo
isa
nasa
na
gitna.
may picture na kumain doon si Anthony Bourdain.
Oh.
Ayan. Basta ano yun, yung Vietnamese na parang madaming picture sa labas ng ano nila yan.
Ang galing.
Ang galing talaga.
Oh my God.
Alala ko yun.
Buti na lang meron ito kasi hindi ko talaga siya maaalala. Ang dami kong video na nakikita na parang, oh my God, nangyari pala to.
Ang ganda balikan. And yung sinabi kong Jomo, ako personally, that's why I love The Flat. Because doon ko na-realize that day talaga na, ay, okay to mga kasama ko. Jomo, joy of missing out.
Tama.
So, bonding, agad.
Parang okay lang, no? Okay lang, huwag na tayo
Okay lang,
sumama.
hindi tayo ba next time na lang, magkikita naman tayo ulit.
Pero tatlo lang tayo doon.
Ah.
Asan kaya
Parang
yung isa?
yung Jomo ko na-kick in sa
Late.
12th month.
Oo
Nung
nga
kinancel
eh.
ko lahat ng lakads ko, tapos nasa flat lang.
Oo, no,
Port,
oo nga.
di ba? Yung lumabas kayo. You guys were the one going out.
Oo nga, with my classmates kasi. Parang nagpalit tayo noon kasi nagbababay na ako sa classmates. Oh my God. Parang feeling ko, sobrang
good.
na-enjoy talaga natin yung flat kasi bukod sa mahal siya, no?
Oo, sulit na sulit.
Susulitan namin ang aming binayan. Ano din, parang nakabuo talaga tayo ng culture, friendship, and
it was a home.
over moments like that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was a
yeah,
home. It was
yeah.
a home. And si Nathan, even if, ano siya, FOMO, mostly, he's a reb-reb. So, okay lang. Yung mga, ano niya, mga ate niya doon, dito ka gagaling, ano ka sa uwi? Bakit ka ganyan? Kasi of course kami, nanjojomo kami, nandun sa lamesa, tapos biglang, sana si Nathan, 12 na, parang wala pa siya. No?
I remember the first time na ginawa ko yun kay Nathan.
Oo,
kasi
kasi-
nga, ako nga yung guard doon. Kasi sa guard house ako.
Kwarto ni Eri nasa bandang
Baba,
door, sa baba.
yes.
Sa entrance
Sa
area.
entrance.
Tapos parang 2 a.m. na wala pa si Nathan. I was like, darating ba yun? parang ko, okay lang ba siya? Kailangan na ba nating mag-ano? Kasi, di ba?
Oo, baka
kasi
may
emergency
nangyari,
na.
oo.
Tapos kinaumaga, sabi ko, anong oras ka umuwi? anong oras ka umuwi kagabi? Tapos parang si Nathan parang, ay. parang bago sa'yo yun, no?
Kasi syempre, panganay ako sa bahay. So, I'm the one asking others. Nobody asked me. Tapos yung video sa dulo, what's that? Was that also the first day? The dinner?
That's our first Sinigang Sunday. So parang
Ah,
ano
okay,
sana
okay.
siya, tawag
Transition.
doon, teaser for the next episode.
Okay, maganda yan.
Okay.
So, anong ginagawa natin for the first week?
Unpacking.
Unpacking. Ano pa?
Naglilinis.
Naglilinis. Anong nakita natin nung naglilinis tayo?
Ang daming sinigang.
Hindi, but...
Daming sinigang mix.
Okay, so the reason why I say unpacking is because every single person here also brought
Sinigang.
sinigang mix.
Grabe. Di ba yun yung ano yung advice, hindi nagsiskip. Magdala kayo ng sinigang mix. Magdala kayo. Mamimiss nyo yan. Magdala kayo ng sinigang mix. Hala, dala sinigang mix. Ilan dala mo?
Grabe, isang ganon.
Ako din. Isang, basta,
May dala ba ako? Hindi ko maalala eh.
isang dosena ba yun?
Hindi ko alam kung isang dosen.
And then yung isang ko pang dala, may kasama siyang patis. Libreng patis para sa sinigang. Parang twin pack sila. And I think may nagdala sa atin sa kabilang flat. Si Charles yata yun.
Si Charles Madan.
Sari-sari store to, te.
Puro food.
Ayun. And then, apparently, because that's the advice, everybody had brought sinigang
Sinigang.
mix. Probably from the 4 batches before
Yeah,
us. I mean, the 3
yeah.
batches before us. Ayun. So, madaming sinigang, di ba? Tapos, tinitingnan namin, expired na ba to? Hindi. Anong gagawin natin dito? Ayun na.
So parang we decided na, ano na lang, every Sunday or basta weekend, pwede tayong kumain together and invite natin yung mga nasa London, kung sino man yung available, ganyan. Tapos, papangalanan natin tong Sinigang Sunday.
Pero iba yung spelling.
Yes, may sine.
Why? Why?
Kasi ang goal is makapanood ng isang film.
Yeah.
After the lunch.
Ah.
Yan na. Which is nagagawa naman natin.
With
Yeah,
ER.
Of course.
So, sine,
Ito,
as in
sinigang.
cinema.
Gang.
Gang.
And then, sinigang.
And sinigang. Yes naman.
Corny.
Tapos, in fairness, sa panindigan naman, I mean, siguro hindi tayo weekly talaga. Nung mga first 2 or 3 weeks medyo. Pero, syempre, naging busy na. Pero, hanggang dulo meron na.
Okay talaga yun. And it was a nice thing to do, di ba? Kasi when somebody has a birthday, it will be, if we could make habol, parang sa Sinigang Sunday, nagbe-birthday din, ganyan. So, maganda yun. Tapos, hanggang babay. Di ba? Tapos, yan
The last-
the last month talagang daming Sinigang Sunday. So, ang gandang bonding. And may neighbors kasi kami.
Yes.
So-
yes, the flat 48. So kami yung flat 544. Tapos sila yung 48. Same compound, different building. Next time invite natin sila. Actually, yung isa pa parang, huy! In-ambush.
Pero kami yung may sala.
Sila merong shumayan.
Ay, sure.
So shumayan sila doon. Ang tanong ko, naubos ba natin yung Sinigang Sunday? Hindi ko na maalala.
Hindi ko malala. Parang hindi.
So meron pa tayong napamana sa next batch.
Oo.
I
Pero
think
konti
so.
na lang. Konti na
Konti
lang
na
yun.
lang.
Sobrang konti na
Yeah.
yun.
Yeah.
Kasi yung, ano na kami, fourth batch na tayo sa flat 544. So, Shivner yung nag-start nun. So, dahil mahal ang flat sa London, okay yung flat na yun, ipasa na lang sa mga estudyante para mas discounted yung price. At di na mahirapang maghanap.
Oo, mahirap maghanap dun kasi sa reviews din, di ba, pwede kang ma-scam. Yun yung downside if magpa-private accommodations ka. Pwede kang ma-scam and they're very particular about it. Pati yung bangko, di ba, Nathan?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
yung deposit namin na ipapadala sa landlord, talagang hindi pwedeng bulto-bulto yung padala mo kasi i-text ka, i-hold yung send mo. So, it's really something that they're very wary about, di ba? So, it's in a sense, when we all received our confirmation, I think kaming lahat, place to stay.
Yun yung
Diba?
automatic, no?
Automatic.
Parang,
Sino?
Sino?
Yan yung energy.
Ganun talaga.
Kaming lahat. Everybody's like, And then,
Kailangan natin ng
oo. So, yun yung nangyari. Kaya, siya, parang malaking bagay na na-vet na rin yung
Yeah.
landlord.
yung flat, yes.
And I think the reason why is because the previous batch had difficulty in finding a flat. Parang nag-Airbnb pa sila for a month or something. Sila Lian ata to. Diba?
Hindi ko na maalala.
Hindi-
I mean, hindi ko maalala kung sino yan. But
Oo.
yes, merong mga naka-experience ng ganun sa ibang,
Yeah.
sa previous batch na kailangan muna nilang mag-rent ng
Mm,
B&B, which is
gets.
mahal.
Yeah.
Mas mapapamahal ka dun.
Tsaka yung kahit yung sa bagong batch, diba, may kilala tayo na parang nag-rent siya, tapos napaalis siya,
Yes,
tapos
yes.
kailangan niya maghanap. Midstream eh. Ang hirap nung nag-a-adjust ka, tapos you're also starting your classes, and then you have to think of, oh my gosh, where am I gonna stay? And you can't find your way around the place yet.
And it's
right?
hard to move your entire,
Yeah.
diba?
Yeah,
setup.
sobrang hassle no.
Sobrang hassle.
Physically and mentally.
Mentally, oo.
Kasi parang hindi ako makasettle parang ganun. Yung sa atin nga parang 2 weeks lang tayo doon. Siguro ako 2 weeks lang ako doon sa primary B&B ko. Yung first 2 weeks ko. Parang hassle talaga ako doon. Buti na lang nung nakalipat na tayo sa flat. Parang okay, at least
Settle in.
Yeah. Yung malaking suitcase ko, I didn't unpack it until we were at the flat. Parang may getaway travel bag ako. Like, that's what I unpacked. So Z, what
Yes.
is your favorite thing about the flat? The flat, like location, like...
Location.
Location.
Location's the best because with the flat, you can walk, you can bike, you can take the underground, you can overground, you can even even if you like super rush, you need to take an Uber, a
Oh.
Bolt. It's still affordable.
Super.
It's still affordable.
That
So,
one night when we came back from, nakalimutan ko na. Tapos we said, we're not gonna commute. We took a Bolt. Parang 15 pounds lang or something from the King's Cross.
Yeah. And so, 'di ba,
To the
if
flat.
if you divide that apat,
Liverpool
I remember,
yata.
yeah. So if you divide that, kung apat din naman kayo, it's just like the fare for
The fare.
for the overground. So the location was fantastic. Cannot beat the location for the price also. So I really appreciated that. And it facilitated us. Like being able to go out, being able to even just di ba we really enjoyed shopping, like grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping.
Yes.
OMG, like I call it the constellation of groceries surrounding
Tabi-tabi!
us.
Mili ka na lang, no? Dito sa tayo mauna.
Okay, so dito tayo pag gusto natin like super fresh.
Yes!
Like if hindi
Hoxton Bros!
friends ko pa sila sa Instagram.
Wow!
May like sila ng stories ko minsan. So, Hoxton Brothers, tapos meron sa harap, tapos pwede ka sa, palayo ka kung gustong mura, di ba, sa Aldi.
Aldi.
Yes.
Tapos kung gusto mo ng medyo Asian, merong Longdan.
Yes, may long daan.
Paano nga yun?
Ay,
May joke si Zing.
pwede mo meron.
Sige,
Sige, sige.
Ready.
Lalabas yan mamaya.
Sige. Ang grabe rin yun.
Yeah,
Saka malapit
yeah,
siya sa Brick Lane, which is very artsy
Yeah,
din.
yeah.
Yung Sunday flower market, diba?
Flower market.
Yeah, sa Columbus.
Columbia Street.
Columbia
Yeah,
Street.
Columbia.
Also the parks,
Oh, yeah,
right?
yeah.
They have really nice is it Victoria Park?
Victoria Park,
Yeah, yung
Hagerstown.
mga places where you could buy food, and it's really just you can walk, you can take the overground. It's so accessible.
Hindi lang siya sa flat, no? Gusto ko talaga, sa London, na yun nga, very, a walkable city. So parang, sana ganoon din tayo, maabot natin siya in the future. Yung paglabas natin ng bahay natin, pwede na tayo magtumakbo, di ba? Hindi na tayo mahihiyak, or hindi tayo mag-aalala if baka ma-aksidente tayo.
Tama.
Di ba? Yung gano'n, very, pwede kang mabuhay ng healthy.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah. It's actually quite cheap to be healthy there kasi yung gulay
Yes.
din.
Mas mura.
Mas mura.
pa.
Mas
Compared
mura.
sa Pilipinas.
Grabe
Diba?
yung, you wanna talk about our table?
Sure.
Our vegetable. Our
yeah.
veg table.
Sige. Do the honors.
Sige. Introduce mo muna. Ano siya yung history niya. Yung
Should we
history
watch
niya.
the video again and then...
Meron ba doon?
Nakikita ba dun?
Teka lang. Sige.
Tabi ng trash bin.
Oo.
Up.
Oh, yeah.
Ay! Ayan.
Nakikita niyo bang nakakita namin? Zoom in, Editor.
So, yung table na yan, pag, go ahead.
No, which what right now this is the version na previous batch pa.
So, what do we see here? I see bottles. Bottles and bottles and bottles and bottles and
And
bottles.
cans.
And cans. So, this used to be their, what is this? The alcohol stash.
Yes.
Yeah.
The bar.
The bar, yeah. So anyway, we saw that, okay, it's a bar, alright. And then after that, after all the cleaning and everything, the people like to eat vegetables and fruits. And because mura, ayan na. Ano yung nandun?
Puro gulay talaga. Tapos, as in, parang lahat tayo, may kanya-kanyang gulay talaga. Gulay,
May kanya-kanyang basket.
prutas, yes. Oo, ako nga lang yung parang hindi nag-effort sa basket ko. Parang, okay na yan. Basta nandun yung mga pechay. Andun yung yung heart-shaped na cabbage.
Nakakamiss yun, yung mga mushrooms na...
Mushroom, no?
Pag
Yes, the
Grabe
mushroom.
yung mushrooms na 1 pound 30. Ganun, parang...
So, mga 100 pesos.
Oh, 100
Tapos,
pesos. Isang
500.
buong,
Milligram na yun.
ang laki. Ayun, so lahat ng veg namin, tapos nakikita mo, alam mong may sakit pag madaming
Orange.
orange.
Uy, sino may sakit
Sino
dito?
may
Ay,
sakit
si
niya?
Nathan kasi may orange sa basket niya.
Oo, naalala ko January, parang wow, daming orange.
Lahat may sakit.
Oo, kasi winter, rurok ng winter. Sobra.
Nakakamiss, Ngayon medyo na sentimental. Favorite yung really nice memories doing grocery together kasi.
Yeah.
Yes, actually siguro meron akong isang episode ng vlog na nag-grocery. Alam mo kasi may kinunat ako na nag-grocery lang tayo.
Ay, alam mo, maganda yung social commentary kasi pwede natin mapakita, tingnan nyo, pwede palang mura, pwedeng
Which is weird, no? Sa
Weird.
Pilipinas talaga, sobrang mahal maging healthy. Talagang kaya mamatay na lang tayong lahat.
And we're supposedly a agri country kasi fertile soil, lots of
Ang
rain.
mga gulay natin, diba? Ang sibuyas, napakamahal. Ba't gano'n? Ang sili, nagmamahal. Hindi ko talaga gets. Tapos yun, yung mga prutas natin. Parang pagdating sa atin, hindi na siya fresh.
Really
Doon
bad.
parang lahat ng fresh talaga parang andun.
Yeah.
Weird
Tsaka yung
talaga.
fresh yung mura. Diba?
Yes.
So, ang galing, it's so easy to make the right choices. So, even if, for example, I guess, we didn't lose weight.
That's right.
But we
That's
were
right.
eating healthy.
Yeah.
Yes, nagkikinuha pa tayo.
Oo.
Where would you buy your quinoa?
Ako is either sa Hoxton Village, kasi sa mura, or doon sa may gilid.
Sa gilid, hindi yung sa gilid. OMG.
Na expire kaya nalibre ka. May ganda libre si Sarah. Ilan na?
Ay, ano pa to? Okay lang. Binigay sa akin libre. Ano yun, magkano yung quinoa doon?
Mga 3.49
Oo,
pounds.
ganun.
Which
Up to
is,
the last cent.
so sabi mo na mga 250 pesos.
Oo.
Imagine, doble dito yun.
Oo.
500 pesos.
Sobrang,
Mataas.
okay talaga yun. So kami ni Erly, kaming dalawa yung nagkikinwa. Ayun, tinitest niya dito, magkano yan? Tapos ako naman, dito ako bumili, magkano yan? Tapos, ito, mas mura dito. Ayun. So yun yung namin, na naghahanap kami ng, saan yung nakakamura tayong kinwa? Pero, mga mapagpanggap. Kasi,
Kasi yung dalawa dyan, nagilig sa kanin.
so pag may kanin yung rice cooker,
Ay, for sharing.
hindi ko for sharing.
Okay. Ay, tayo guys. Nagluto ako ng kaldereta. Saya. Sana ma-experience din natin yung dito.
Yeah.
Yes. Na wow, ang mura ng gulay. I think sa Baguio pag bumili ka.
Oh yeah, mura sa Baguio.
Pero yun nga lang sana, parang siya maging accessible for people in the metro.
I think, policy-wise, di ba? Kasi I think sa UK, either subsidized or walang tax. Di ba? Walang
They're
tax
farmers.
yung gulay. Oo.
Tsaka
Sana all.
even yung iba nila, di ba, makikita mo yung some fruits or veg imported from Spain, from Portugal, and I don't know, I think it's also, even if the Brexit happened, they're still able
It's
to,
still cheap,
it's still
oo.
cheap,
Oo.
yeah. So, it's really difficult because I think sa atin naman, nakakasad kasi ang dami nating vegetables, yung farmers, hindi nila na cash in, and then it just gets rotten.
Yes. Yung mga videos na yung mga
Diba?
tomatoes that they just throw away.
They just throw away, it
Oo.
gets rotten.
Yung
And,
mga sibuyas.
and why is that, diba? Why can't it trickle down to the places that need it? We're just, 4 hours away from
Yeah.
Baguio. So, anyway.
Oo nga. I think merong parang website or parang Instagram account. Hanapin ko na, post na natin dito. Yung parang tinutulungan nila yung mga farmers ng Baguio or ng Baguio para
kinoconnect nila.
ma-transport sa Manila. Para ma-benta sa Manila yung
Oh.
mga gulay.
Pero sad. I tried buying from there nung pandemic Pero yung difficulty lang, can you imagine the scale of the problem and then you only have like a few people with that initiative and the kind of logistics it takes. And if you're selling to individual, like retail, it doesn't make sense, diba? It doesn't make sense na magre-retail ka. Ang laki din ng gasto ng transport. Diba?
Imagine yung mga gulay nila sa, di ba, it's in their like 7-Eleven. And
Mm,
you can buy it for cheap.
Yeah.
In those 7-Eleven, you
Yeah.
don't even need to go to the supermarket,
Yeah.
di ba?
Surprising din ako sa doon na parang, wow, mura to Mura.
Prutas and gulay.
Tapos,
Ang mahal talaga doon yung pork sa beef.
pero in fairness, sa presyo natin ngayon,
Same
Almost the
lang.
same.
almost the same. Kasi magkano ba yung mga pork natin para sa sinigang? Di ba? Mga
4
4
pounds or 5 pounds.
Oo.
oo.
And then, what is it? Like
Parang half a kilo.
500,
Oo. Yeah.
Oo nga.
Diba? So, magkano? 300, half kilo.
Half kilo.
Punta kang grocery ngayon, magkano na ba?
Ganun na ba?
Mahal.
Mahal.
Mahal. May nakikita akong beef sa grocery natin, like 600, 800 per kilo. Like, napapaano, ano to? Tapa lang naman to. Ayun. So, medyo siya. And to think yun, London na yun. Tayo, saan tayo? Makati.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway.
Oh, well.
Hi!
Hi! Punta na tayo sa next segment natin.
Okay.
Ang Scholar Tips. Magbibigay lang tayo ng mga tips.
Okay.
For this one, siguro mag-stick lang tayo sa paano i-ace siguro ang iyong application essay for scholarship.
Okay.
Sige.
Sige.
Okay.
Who wants to go
Carry ba
first?
yun?
Yeah.
Kayo muna. Mag-isip pa. Wala kasi ako
Sige,
prepare.
ako na.
Ako rin.
Sige.
Sige, you really need to know yourself and you need to know what you want to do in life. Like, when you're applying, you can't just apply and your way through the application. Dapat very clear yung goal mo. So, I think, by knowing yourself where you want to be, it will really show in your application, whether it's in the leadership, networking, what you want to achieve in your education or career, di ba? Those are the 4 main tenets of the essay. It will really show. So that's my biggest tip, I think. Know yourself, know what you want to do, and yun, make it show in your essay.
Maybe to add to what Nathan said, so you know yourself and you think, okay, I'm gonna put everything.
Yeah.
But you need to also have a coherent
Yes.
story.
Tama.
So I think personally, that was the hardest part for me because I do a lot of things, but what's the thread that I could tie everything in together? So that means that Eri uses this term. You have to kill your darlings. Diba? So you have to edit and the things that even if ang galing-galing mo diyan pero talagang hindi siya hindi siya swak. Kailangan mong hanapan ano bang thing dito na yung essence niya pwede kong madala, 'di ba? Kasi you don't need to be like working or having like a top position in government, or you don't need to be doing something super huge. But if you're able to show that in the little that you have, you've been able to exercise leadership, influence, you have the potential to really bring together like a community or network, diba? And to show that I want to do more of this because I want, diba? I want to learn more because I want to do this.
Yeah.
Then it doesn't matter whether you're working in one of the biggest conglomerates or in one of the more difficult places in government, or you have like your NGO or you're doing some work pro bono. That's it. So you need to have like a story and you need to be able to edit yourself. Yeah.
Tama.
Ganda, ang ganda.
Oh.
Oo. Kasi yun talaga, medyo ang daming tao na achiever. Or diba, overachiever. So parang, pero sa Chevening, mag-zoom in ako sa Chevening, na parang hindi naman lahat ng nakakapasa talaga ay achiever na simula ng nursery or kinder. Pero pagdating nila sa totoong buhay, sa real world, doon nila nakita na, pwede ko pala itong gawin. And nahanap nila yung sarili nila and yung story nila and saan sila makakatulong sa society.
So hindi siya traditional sense of the achiever, A student, leader dito, boss, president. Hindi ganun. Tama yun, Eri, na parang nahanap mo kung saan, what little sphere of influence you can exert the most influence and create meaningful change and impact. Diba? So,
That's right.
that's right.
Siguro ako, ang dadagdag ko, since nasa parang story tayo, dapat din yung story mo ay may naka-anchor siya sa priorities ng UK government.
Yes.
Which is really hard. I think yun din yung isang mahirap. Kasi lahat tayo, pag nalaman na natin yung story natin, na parang, paano ko to i-connect or i-relate sa priorities nila. And siguro sa ibang scholarship din, meron din silang specific na hinahanap. And you need to know kung ano ba yung hinahanap nila.
Correct.
So sa UK, sa Chevening, parang I think every 3 or 4 years pinapalitan nila yung priorities nila. And we need to know that. Research talaga. Research mo ano ba yung priorities nila sa Philippines. So kung ano yung story mo, di ba? Ano yung mga achievements mo, kung gusto mong pagmalaki sa application mo, i-connect mo ngayon dun sa priorities. And yun, talagang, na yun, pasok ka na dun. Pakadong back na pa ka na dyan.
Hindi, maganda yan.
Yeah.
Kasi diba in anything, you have to show them also, why would they want you on their team?
Yes.
Like, why would they want to invest in you? So it needs to be also attractive to them that, this is a promising individual that's going to contribute to our greater initiatives in the region. Yeah.
Na parang ano yan eh. So what kung magaling ka? How can you help us in our priorities or in our projects? Parang something like that. So parang sabi nga ni Manuel Quezon, parang tanungin mo rin kung ano yung magagawa mo for your country. And meron ding, meron ding
That's not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country.
Yes.
Thank you. God.
So yun, parang ganun din sa chief din. Yung kung ano man yung scholarship na yun, di ba? Parang parang nililigawan mo sila na bigyan ka ng pera, ng pondo,
Yes.
ng scholarship. So, in return, ano yun naman yung
Yeah.
kaya mong gawin for them?
Very fair.
Very.
Yeah. And that's it for today.
Yes!
Very
Till,
exciting.
oo nga, ang ganda. Thank you, Zara!
Thank you. Ano? What were you gonna say?
Till next episode! Ikaw naman magsabi kasi nandito kayo.
Teka muna, ano ba ang ano?
Till next!
Ah,
Ganun
till-
na. 1, 2, 3.
Till next
episode!
Episode.
Bye!
Bye.